Here we're given a baseband signal with a lower and a higher frequency. So we have a low frequency of 20 Hertz and an upper frequency of 20,000 Hertz. So this is our baseband signal, this is our message, this is what we're trying to sample. So the minimum sample rate, the Nyquist rate, will be twice f max. So that's 2 times the higher of the two frequencies, not the difference, but the higher of the two. So 2 times 20k. So that's 40 kilohertz. That's the Nyquist rate. So the sample rate would have to be greater than the Nyquist rate.